Bittorrent holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again I'm talking about the Bittorrent token, my friends. So first of all, I really wants to congratulate every Bittorrent holders because from the yesterday the BTT start moving upward, and personally I'm very happy today because when I see the jump of the Bittorrent token, so I feel very happy, friends. So congratulations to all holders of Bittorrent token, friends. My friends, in this video I will show you, friends, the latest update of Bittorrent token, so please keep watch. And remember, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now friends, that is the last 1 hour live price chart of the Bittorrent token. You can see here, if you look the last 1 hour price chart of Bittorrent token, so you can see here absolutely a good jump so far in the Bittorrent token, friends. Let's see, my friends, but first of all see the latest update, the price and the highest price, low price, the open market. You can see here the latest price of the PTT is 0.003868 USD dollar, friends. That is the latest price of PTT, friends. And if you look, the market opening price is 0.003505 USD dollar is the latest price of Bittorrent token, friends. And same like that, if you look the lowest price of the Bittorrent token in the last 24 hours, so 0.003492 USD dollar is the lowest price of the Bittorrent token, and the highest price of BTT as 0.004293 USD dollar is the highest price of Bittorrent token in the last 24 hours, friends. And now 24 hours price in is going positive 10.4%. The price is start moving upward, and the supply is 989.99 billion is the market supply of the Bittorrent token, friends. Absolutely very fastly moving upward. Very soon they are going to hit 1,000 supply, friends. That is the last 1 hour price chart. So if you look the latest price change, so you can see here from the last 30 minutes the BTT is only start moving upward. So I believe, in my prediction about BTT is that they will continue this jump for a long time, friends. You can see here at this time if you do a technical analysis, so at this time fast down, and after fast they again take a jump. So now I think they break the resistance line, so I hope that they will continue this jump for a long time, friends. And there is a common procedure of the every cryptocurrency market, every cryptocurrency coin, that after a fast zero is a jump. And as you know, in a previous days the BTT price is very badly fast down, so now it's time to recover the badly fast. Now it's time to take a jump, friends. So that is just the beginning. My personal recommendation, my personal suggestion for everyone is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Hold your coin with the last of this month. Hope you will get a good amount of profit from the BTT. And again, I request everyone, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.